Come test drive the 2024 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear step bumper, hill descent control, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, trailering package, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.